Oh my god. GT350. Impression? What do you think of the new?
I think it's.
What's up, guys? So we've made it to Monterey. We're staying at my grandparents' house. I'm really excited. So we're gonna link up with Chase and Tyson in a little bit. There's a lot of events that are going on today. The main event obviously is the Exotics on Broadway. They changed it from Cannery Row to Broadway. So we're gonna go check that out hopefully a little bit later during the evening, and we'll see if we get to meet any cool YouTubers that I watch, Daily Driven Exotics, or I know the Supercar Suspects is here. So that'd be sick to meet them. Maybe one day I'll be on their level, but until then, you know, we'll just hang in the background, say what's up. But yeah, sounds cool. The 5.0 is here. She made it here all in one piece. It runs very good, very comfortable. I didn't take the Cobra for, like I said, the reason this driveway is really steep. Monterey is very hilly at times, and I'm still breaking in the clutch, so I don't feel comfortable beating on it that hard. And you know, I could have babied it, but it really just wouldn't have been enjoyable for me. I would have been very, I don't know what you call OCD about it. Try to like, oh, did I do this wrong, do that? But yeah, so sounds cool. I'm gonna eat a little bit, and we're gonna take off. All the power.
The supercharger.
What are we doing today, Tyson?
Right on. It'll be on the right hand side when we drive down.
This quality is looking in.
Stop for you right here.
No, it's cool. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What's he over here?
There was kids flipping, tweaking out.
Really?
You know, I got to keep it G-rated for the vlog.
Sheesh. That thing is actually clean. What was that, Z06?
Don't be here tonight. I'm coming. We gotta come in sideshows here at nighttime.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
Where? Like here? Or?
Here, look, right there. Look it.
What the DDE or what?
No, okay.
Yeah. So we've made it to. This is Carmel by the Sea, right?
Yeah.
So this is like the main area.
It's like a chameleon from a
There's a little Ford GT.
Yeah.
Looking clean. Looking clean. I like that the calipers on that setup.
Look how big.
Dang, dude, left and right.
The spec that I saw was just like this.
But Tyson.
Dude, everyone's freaking out over this. It's alright, Blueface, baby.
For real. Bumpers. He took them off.
So Euro spec,
Doesn't it have that little stupid like.
pretty clean. Jacob Ardoti, where you at? This is your boy, isn't it?
This is crazy.
Alright, they're alright.
Yes, sir.
Are they?
Yeah, they look
I've
OEM
never
wheels
seen
right there.
Those are really pretty.
That's like, what's that gray called?
Nardo?
Avalanche, Nardo?
Best sounding V10 ever.
Carrera GT.
You right here, backing up.
Damn, look at
British green.
that. Yeah, it's a dark green. It's like the bullet green.
Yeah.
I know, bro. Oh my god, why does it sound like that?
Oh.
Little V? When the traffic hits. Joel? Gonna ask him. Just finished up looking at pretty much all the whips. Tyson, how did you
They were pretty, there's some pretty sick cars, but it's gonna be even better tonight.
yeah. 5.0 make its debut. Alright, I hear something making some. Oh my god. Where you at,
It's the one
G?
on the right.
There we go.
That thing's idle is so loud. Woo! That thing was supposed to me. GT350. I got it. I know as they're leaving.
Oh shit!
Oh, what the hell?
You ran the light, Bucky.
Oh my god. They're all running the lights? Where we at, Chase?
Oh, that's under undisclosed.
Undisclosed
I'm not gonna
location?
give away my car week secrets.
I know we can't tell them, but it's a location where a lot of people
Anywhere,
stay.
You have to blur it out.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one.
That's a mystical. That looks like the
It's carbon
Cobras.
fiber, dude.
Everything on the car is made besides tires and I think windshield wiper.
What
are
the
the
hell?
only things that aren't made in their factory.
That's nuts.
Oh man. I didn't realize it was blue.
Oh, that is pretty badass. Look. The megawatt?
Yeah, it's like the one-to-one type deal, but it's not a one-to-one.
Okay.
If you look down right in there, it says 1 MW. Right over the triple X suspension thing. This has the dual exhaust. The
Right.
Euro specs have 3 because they don't want it as loud in Europe.
Oh, so it's a little quieter.
Because you've seen the ones where it has the
Yeah.
the one and then the one on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, this has 2 because USA, you know, we like our cars.
Except California.
Yeah, California.
They don't like them loud.
Yeah, you're right.
Nah, I will say the P1 though, I love the way the P1's just shaped. Like the body lines are good. I mean, don't get me wrong, these look cool too, but you know,
yeah, I
like there's
love
something about the P1, just like the body just goes great.
That's beautiful.
Look at the water
Thumbnail?
after a wash.
Probably already dipped. Barking. That's really
See, we
cool.
used to walk down there. Right here.
Let's send a picture. Hard.
Oh, look at that
Look
Mustang.
at it, it's touching the grass.
Oh
I
yeah.
love the colors, the golf
And
colors.
then
Whipple supercharged.
That's that was amazing. Here, that was at the.
I think they have 750
last year.
horsepower. They're pretty sick.
Oh, they got an old Ferrari boat.
So sick.
Goes hard.
this is 00 number 1. That was the fastest car in the world at one point in time.
Goes hard.
Look at this.
This thing. But this thing. What's this? The new one?
This is the new one they released yesterday.
The thing is so wide. How does that literally gonna fit in a lane?
Boom. Big shot. Chase, what's this one called?
I can't even pronounce that. It should
So-
say 2DC and 2. I can't. I don't know.
Devo is beautiful though.
Yeah, I love that color combo. Dude, I love that white, not the white wall, but the blue wall.
Yeah.
Whatever that goes hard.
Pretty. These wheels are pretty
Yeah, I love this.
too.
The setup is clean, guys.
8 million euros.
Impression? What do you think of the new?
I think it's
the
beautiful.
New Bugatti.
Not. It's a little tall. I'm not a fan of the wheels, but other than that,
Look,
I think
you
it's
can see the
beautiful.
resemblance. Look at by the window and look at the.
Oh yeah, the
Oh,
old
yeah.
one, new one.
This is definitely. Look at the vent. The vent.
Bro, no way. Is that Alex Choi? That's Alex Choi, bro.
Yeah.
Why am I freaking out
brother.
right now? Why am I freaking out right now, bro? That's Alex Choi right there.
Maybe an inch.
Oh yeah, your truck barely cleared up there, didn't
It
it?
was so close.
Oh yeah, I remember that. All right, guys. So we've been walking for a pretty long time now, checking out everything. It was- hey, I kind of like the lineup of whites. Hey, should we play some Forza, guys? You ain't down? Oh, it's VR.
No way.
So Tyson, we're in line
Bevved up.
by Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah.
So
Most
I like this
expensive
view. This view is nice.
It is pretty, for sure.
If I go viral in your video, make sure you get my branding.
There it
Stephen
is.
Smith Realty
Really
Concepts.
concepts. You know how it is.
Maybe you can get there.
The logo. The logo.
Oh no, it's all about Crown Homes. You're wearing our color. You're wearing our color.
This sucker
Blue.
could be selling a Crown Home, so you better represent.
Oh shoot. Competition.
Cuck.
Fucking. He might be a samurai, but I still caught it.
What the hell?
That is so
I saw it coming. Samurai.